Okay, so good evening. We are going to start second numerical on a compound indexing. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to write here. Okay, second numerical I'm going to write here. So may I audible? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. So please take second example, that is the 77 division. 77 division. Okay. Means we want to generate 77 number of teeth on the periphery of your blank. Okay, this is the example. You have to remember how many division they have given. 77. Okay, so what is our first step? Yes, what is our first step? What is our first step? Yes, anybody? Hello, what is our first step?
77 चे फॅक्टर घ्यायचे.
Good. First up on, we have to find out the factor of 77. So I'm going to write here 77 is equal to, what is the factor of 77? Yes, what is the factor?
11 into 7.
Good. 11 into 7. Okay, 11 into 7. Now please check whether that 11 number is available in our plate, that we are having 3 plates are there. Plate number 1, plate number 2 and plate number 3 are there. Okay, whether that 11 number is available in one of the plate. Yes.
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay, no. Good. That 11 number plate is not available. So what we should do? काय करावं लागलं आता आपल्याला या ठिकाणी? Same formula. Okay, same concept we have to use. Whatever concept we have used in that simple indexing. Okay, we have to multiply. Okay, we have to multiply that 11 number in such manner that answer it will be available in one of the plate. Okay, we have to multiply to that 11 number in such manner their answer should be available in one of the plate. Okay, म्हणजे कशाने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर 11 ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर या प्लेट मधला अंक येईल. Yes,
3.
11. Good. 3 ne. Okay, because if we have multiplied that 11 by 3, then answer it will be 33. Means it is available in plate number 2. Okay, it available in plate number 2. Good. So I'm going to write here. Okay, I'm going to multiply it by 3, so that your answer it will be 33. Okay, and the 33 number is available in plate number. Yes, which plate it is available? Plate number 2. Okay, on the plate number 2 it is available. Okay, now means we have got, okay, means, okay, now, okay, 33 is available. Okay, and we have to require 2 number. Okay, only one number is we have got, means that 33 number is we have got only one. Okay, means n1 or n2 we have got. Now we have to require 2 number. Okay, मग सेकंड नंबर कसा फाइंड आउट करताल? सेकंड आपल्याला समजा हा n1 असेल किंवा n2 असेल. ओके, दॅट पॉइंट वी विल डिसाइड. आपल्याला सेकंड आता फाइंड आउट करायचं. कसं फाइंड आउट करणार? येस, काय करावं लागेल? येस, एनीबडी, एनी आयडिया? Hello. Again we have to take that 7 and we have to multiply that 7 in such manner their answer should be available in one of the plate. Okay, आता आपण काय कुठली प्लेट सिलेक्ट केले? ऑलरेडी वी हॅव सिलेक्टेड दॅट प्लेट नंबर 2. ओके, प्लेट नंबर 2 म्हणजे आपला हा अंक कशावर आलेला आहे? 33. दॅट 33 नंबर इज अवेलेबल ऑन प्लेट नंबर 2, सो दॅट सेकंड नंबर देखील आपला प्लेट नंबर 2 वरचाच पाहिजे. ओके, किती आहे आपल्याकडे? नंबर आहे 7. ओके, देन टेल मी in which factor we have to multiply to that 7 so that this number will be available. म्हणजे ह्या प्लेटवरचा नंबर आपल्याला येईल. 7 ला मी कुठल्या संख्येने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर ह्या प्लेटवरचा येईल? Yes, which 3. Okay, we have to multiply by that 7 by 3. By 3. So that answer it will be the 21. That 21 it is available on plate number 2. Yes, it is available. That 33 again it is available. Okay, so that okay we have to consider or we have to find out the n1 and n2. Capital N1 is equal to and capital N2. तर मला सांगा यातला कॅपिटल N1 कुठला असेल आणि कॅपिटल N2 कुठला असेल? Yes, what will be the capital N1 and what will be the capital N2? Yes, anybody? Okay, there is one condition. Okay, we have to consider whatever that bigger number is there. Okay, that bigger number it will be we have to consider N2 and smaller number is we have to consider it is the N1. Now please tell me what is the N1?
21.
Yes, what is the N1? 21 is N1 and 33 is N2. म्हणजे जो मोठा असेल तो N2 घ्यायचा आहे आणि जो छोटा असेल तो N1 घ्यायचा आहे. Okay, means we have got N1 and N2. Okay, that N1 and N2. Whether you have understood how I have find out this N1 and N2? N1 and N2 आपण कसं find out केले समजलंय का? In last example already we have got. Okay, डायरेक्ट आपल्याला मिळाले होते पण आपण इथं फाइंड आउट केले. ओके, इथपर्यंत कोणाला काय अडचण आहे का? येस येस हॅलो, एनी डाउट इज देअर अप टिल नाउ?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, okay, so please take next point. Just 1 minute. Okay, now we have got N1 is equal to, what is the value of N1? It is the 21 and value of N2 it will be the 33 na? Okay, good, 33. Then what is our next procedure? Again we have to find out the factor of this N1. Again we have to find out the factor of this 21. What is the factor of that 21? 3 into 7. Okay, and what is the factor of this N2? It will be the 33. Okay, 33 is equal to 11 into 3. Okay, then again we have to find out the difference, that is the N2 minus N1. The difference we have to find out. What is the difference? This N2 is 33 minus N1 is 21. What is this difference? Yes, what is this difference? Yes,
12. 12.
okay, 12. Then again we have to find out the factor of this 12. What is the factor of this 12? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, that is 12. Okay, and again we want to find out the factor of 40 because that 40 is available in your formula. So that I am going to write here 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 5, 40. Okay, means all factor I have find out here. Okay, now directly we can check. Now we can check whether that N1 and N2 have to selected, it is correct or not. Means satisfaction condition we have to apply here. Then what is the formula for that? What is the formula? First up, we have to take the factor of division. What is the factor of division? What is the factor of division? That is the 77. What is the factor of this 77? 11 into 7. Then we have to take factor of difference, means factor of that N2 minus N1. What is the factor of that? 2 into 3. It is right? Yes. Then again we have to take the factor of 40. What is the factor of 40? 2 into 5. Then next, what will be the factor of N1? What is the factor of N1? What is the factor of N1?
3 into 7.
3 into 7. 3 into 3 into 7, and then we have to take again we have to take the factor of n2. What is the factor of n2? What is the factor of n2?
11 into
11 into 3.
Just 1 minute. Factor of n2 is 11 into 11 into 3. Okay, then we have to cancel. This 11 is cancelled here. Again, that 3 is cancelled here. Again, that 2 is cancelled here. This 2 is cancelled here. Okay, again this 7 is cancelled. This here means your denominator it will become 1. It is correct. Numerator is become 1. Means our condition is satisfied. Means what? This condition is indicate that whatever that n1 is equal to 21 and n2 is equal to 33. We have assumed these are correct. These are correct. Okay. Up till now, you understood? इथपर्यंत कोणाला काय अडचण? Yes. Hello. Anybody having any problem? Please tell.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we can write down here formula. Now see, I'm going to write here formula. Okay, what is our formula for that compound indexing? That is the small n1 divided by capital N1 plus minus small n2 divided by capital N1 is equal to 40 divided by division. What is our division? 77. Okay, then put the value here. Okay, put the value of that capital N1 is equal to 21 and capital N2, sorry here N2, capital N2 is equal to 33 in above equation. So that above equation it will become N1 divided by 21 plus or minus that N2 divided by 33 is equal to 40 divided by that 77. Then do the cross multiplication, that is the 33 N1 plus minus that 21 N2 is equal to 40 divided by 77 and divided by this 21 into 33. Okay, then solve this again. It will become 33 N1 plus minus 21 N2 is equal to this 40 divided by 77 into, this is the multiply, sorry, divided, here it will become multiply, so that it is 21 into 33. Okay, then okay, solve this. 33 N1 plus minus 21 N2 is equal to, please solve this. What is the value of this whole? Solve this, please.
360.
Yes, please tell me. 360. Okay, 360. Okay, up till now any problem? No. Now we want to assume here. Okay, we have to assume n1 or n2. Okay, now how you can assume? Now already I have tell you one trick. Okay, now see this equation. Okay, see this equation. Okay, in this equation which factors are remaining here? Which factors are remaining? Here 2 is remaining, 5 is remaining, and 3 is remaining. Only that 3 factors are remaining. Okay, we have to check that 3 factor is available in n1 आणि n2 factor. n1 आणि n2 च्या फॅक्टर मध्ये हे 3 फॅक्टर अवेलेबल आहेत का बघायचं. बघा आहेत का? सी आहेत का? n1 मध्ये काय अवेलेबल आहे? 3 आहे. ओके, अगेन 7 नाही, आणि n2 मध्ये काय आहे? 3 आहे. म्हणजे हा 3 फॅक्टर ओके, दॅट 3 फॅक्टर इज कॉमन इन बोथ द N1 आणि N2. म्हणजे आपण इथं काय करायचं आता, N1 किंवा N2 काय अजूम करावं लागेल इथं? येस, N1 आणि N2 काय अजूम करावं लागेल इथं? काय करावं लागेल अजून? हॅलो, कोणीतरी
3.
सांगा प्लीज. 3
3.
अजूम करा. मग N1 करायचा का N2 करायचा आता? कारण का कॅपिटल N1 मध्ये पण 3 आहे आणि कॅपिटल N2 मध्ये पण 3 आहे. आपण काय करू, दोन्ही चेक करून बघू. ओके, दोन्ही चेक करू. म्हणजे फर्स्ट आपण काय करू, N1 चेक करू. N1 इज इक्वल टू 3 पुट करा. ओके, पुट N1 इज इक्वल टू small n1 is equal to 3 in above equation. So that above equation it will become like this, 33 into 3 plus or minus. Okay, first upon here, first upon we have to take plus. Okay, plus घेऊन आपण चेक करायचं आहे. Okay, minus नसेल, plus then 21 into n2 is equal to 36. Then that it will become 99 plus 21 into N2 360. Okay, so that your N2 is equal to 36 minus 99. So that it will become 21 N2 is equal to किती येईल हे, 261 येईल. Okay, right here. Okay, now see here that N2 is equal to 261 divided by 21. Then tell me answer. What is the answer of that N2? Yes, what is the answer of this N2?
12.42.
12.42 is correct, but it is in point, so that it is correct or wrong? It is wrong. It is not applicable. Okay, it is not applicable. So that the next condition आपण चेक करून बघायचे. तर नेक्स्ट कंडिशन काय चेक करून बघायची, या ठिकाणी आपण काय घेतले, आता प्लस घेतले. आता काय करून बघायचं या ठिकाणी? येस, काय करून बघायचं, मायनस करून बघायचं, निगेटिव्ह करून बघायचं. ओके, सो दॅट आय एम गोइंग टू राईट हिअर. Just 1 minute. Okay, see here I'm going to, once again I'm writing here equation so that you will understood. Okay, see here our equation is like this. N1, now we can take here minus, then 21 N2 is equal to 360. I'm going to write here directly, yeah, that 360. Okay, okay, that N1 we have to take 3. Now check 33 into 3 minus that 21 into N2 is equal to 36. Okay, then it will become 99 minus 21 N2 is equal to 36. Now directly can I write here 21 N2 is equal to 36 divided by 99. एक मिनट, this is एक मिनट, sorry. Here plus is there, it will become minus. Sorry, not it is not divided. No? 36 minus 99. Okay, it will become 99. Then tell me, please tell me answer. That 21 N2 is equal to, what is answer? No, something is wrong here. Huh? Something is wrong here. Here minus na? here minus na 21.
Yes, sir.
Then please check what is this. What is this? What is the answer of this? As a काय answer येईल?
N2 equal to minus 12.42.
N2 is equal to किती येते?
Minus 12.42. मगाशी तिचा आन्सर.
मगाच येते का? पण ट्रायल मध्ये ते मायनस मध्ये. बोला.
आन्सर
रोहित.
सेम येते फक्त साइन चेंज होते.
साइन परत चेंज होते. ओके. दुसरं काय येते हे पॉइंट मध्येच येते म्हणजे अगेन इट इज रॉंग. ओके. नेक्स्ट ट्रायल घेऊन बघा परत एकदा. ओके. नेक्स्ट ट्रायल घेऊन बघा. जस्ट 1 मिनिट. ओके. नेक्स्ट ट्रायल घेऊन बघा. आता आपण कुठली घेतली? N1. Now see here. Which trial we have taken here? N1 and ओके. कुठले ट्रायल घेऊन बघितले आपण इथं? ओके. N1 इज इक्वल टू 3 ठेवून बघितले आहे आणि ह्याची प्लस आणि मायनस घेऊन बघितले. दोन्ही आन्सर काय येतात? पॉइंट मध्ये येतात. दे आर नॉट अप्लिकेबल. सो दॅट अगेन वी हॅव टू राईट हिअर N2 इज इक्वल टू 3. आता N2 काय करा? 3 घ्या आणि प्लस आणि मायनस करून बघा. ओके. फर्स्ट आपण आय विल डू द प्लस हिअर. ओके. दॅट 33 N1 प्लस here 31 into N2 is equal to किती घेतलं आपण इथे कणी? बरं N2 is equal to 36. ओके. here N1 न कंडिशन सॅटिस्फॅक्शन होते का नाही होत? N1 आहे तसा ठेवा. N1 प्लस पहिल्यांदा घ्या. फर्स्ट आपण प्लस घेऊन बघा. 21 N2 किती घ्या ठिकाणी? 3 घ्या. आता N2 घ्यायचंय आपण. N1 is equal to 3 ठेवून प्लस आणि मायनस घेऊन बघितले कंडिशन इज नॉट सॅटिस्फाय. So that it will become 36. Okay. Then 33 N1 plus एक किती येईल? 63. Okay, is equal to 36. Okay. बरोबर आहे का? कसं येईल? 33 N1 is equal to 36 minus 63. Okay, what is the answer of this? Then 33 N1 is equal to काय येईल आन्सर याचा? Yes. Please tell the answer.
297.
297. Sorry. Okay. 297. Then now find out the N1 is equal to 29 divided by that 33. Then what is the answer of this N1? That
9.
N1 it will be
9.
9. Means it is correct. Okay. It is correct. Now whether we have to check. आता आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? Again we have to check whether that plus sign is correct or not. आपण जे काय प्लस घेतलेला आहे. We have to check whether that plus sign is correct or wrong. Then how we can check? Again we have to write down here formula. Okay, which formula is there? Okay, which formula we are having? We are having small n1 divided by capital N1. Okay, plus घेतलंय आपण. प्लस चेक करायचं बरोबर आहे का नाही. Okay, then capital N2 divided by capital N2 is equal to 40 divided by n. म्हणजे directly I can write it 77. Then what is the value of N1? What is the value of N1?
9.
Yes, 9. We have find out here 9. What is the value of capital N1? Capital N1 is equal to 21 plus. Okay. Then what is the value of capital N2? What is the value of capital
3.
N2? 3 is here. Small n2 is 3. Then capital N2 is 33 is equal to 40 divided by 77. Okay. Then check LHS is equal to RHS is satisfied or not. Okay. करून बघा हे. Find out do the cross multiplication here. 33 into 9. Okay. Plus that 21 into 3 divided by 21 into 33 is equal to that 40 divided by 77. किती येते आन्सर याचं सांगा. व्हॉट इज द आन्सर ऑफ दिस? इंटेलिजन्स चा आन्सर किती येते?
0.5194 on both sides.
0.519
0.5194.
0.5 sorry just 1 minute 519 म्हणजे आपली कंडिशन सॅटिस्फॅक्शन झाली का नाही तर LH is equal to RHS. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लेम, दिस इज करेक्ट. म्हणजे आपला आन्सर यातलं कुठला आहे? दिस इज युअर आन्सर. ओके, what is the meaning of this answer? That is the 9 divided by 21 plus 3 divided by 33. Okay, then please tell me what is the meaning of this answer? This is the part 1, this is the part 2. Okay, what is this? What is that 21 indicate? Yes, 21 is indicate, yes,
Circle.
it is indicate the circle, and it is 9 is indicate the whole. Okay, आता काय करायचं पहिल्या पार्ट मध्ये? इनिशियली फर्स्ट आपण वी हॅव टू इन्सर्ट युअर क्रँक पेन इनटू द 9 नंबर होल इन 11 नंबर सर्कल. ओके, 9 नंबरच्या होल मध्ये आणि 11 नंबर्स काय करायचं? सुरुवातीला 21 नंबरचं सर्कल फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे, त्याच्यामधलं किती होल घ्यायचा आहे? 9 नंबरचा होल घ्यायचा आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये आपण काय करायचे? क्रँक पेन इन्सर्ट करायचे आहे. दिस इज द फर्स्ट कंडिशन. तर सेकंड कंडिशन मध्ये काय करायचं आपण? नाव हिअर इन आवर आन्सर साइन इज प्लस. That plus is indicate that in which manner we have to rotate the crank. In which manner we want to rotate the crank and index plate here? Huh?
Forward.
Okay, in a forward direction means in this direction. In clockwise direction we have to rotate your crank and indexing plate in such manner we have to select the 33 number of circle and in that 3 number of hole, and then we have to insert which pin? Here we want to insert which pin?
Lock pin.
Okay, here we want to insert the lock pin and here we want to insert the crank pin. Okay, crank pin and same process, crank pin, and in same process we have to follow for the up till the that 77 number of ticks. Okay, in this manner, simple. Okay, this is the compound indexing method, simple. Okay, understood? Okay, once again I will summarize. फर्स्ट आपण काय करायचं बघा ह्याच्यामध्ये, व्हॉट इज द प्रोसिजर फॉर दॅट कंपाऊंड इंडेक्सिंग? जस्ट 1 minute. काय करून घ्यायचं पहिल्यांदा? फर्स्ट आपण वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट द okay, what is the procedure? First upon we have to find out the काय फाइंड आउट करून घ्यायचं सुरुवातीला? we have to find out or we have to take the factor of division. Okay, first upon we have to find out the factor of division. Okay, त्या फॅक्टर वरून काय करायचं? whether we have to check n1 or n2. Okay, n1 जर आपल्याला मिळाला, फॉर एक्झाम्पल 29 n1 मिळाला, okay, then we have to assume the n2. Okay, and we have to assume that n2 should be, आता इथं अज्युम करताना आपण इझिली करू शकतो that n2 should be greater than n1, फॉर एक्झाम्पल 33 असेल, आणि हे दोन n1 आणि n2 इट शुड बी अवेलेबल ऑन वन प्लेट ओनली. ओके, एकाच प्लेटवरचे पाहिजे हे अंक. ओके, म्हणजे असं नसून या ठिकाणी n1 प्लेट नंबर 1 वर आहे आणि n2 प्लेट नंबर 2 वर आहे. ओके, दिस इज रॉंग. ओके, यू हॅव टू रिमेंबर that n1 capital n1 and capital n2, that both number it should be available on one of the plate. Okay, then again we have to, then once we have to find out that n1 and n2, then we have to take the factor of that n1 and n2. Again we have to find out the factor of that n1 and n2. Okay, n1 and n2, then Again, we have to use here one formula, that is the small n1 divided by capital N1 plus minus small n2 divided by capital N2 is equal to 40 divided by n. That n is indicate number of division. Okay. Now here we have found the factor of this n1, n2. Again, we have to find out the factor of this 40. Okay. Then we have to find out the factor of this 40. Okay. Then once we have to find out the factor of this 40, again we have to take the difference of that n2 minus n1. Okay. Again we have to, suppose we have to get the answer of this difference 4. Again we have to take the difference of this. Again we have to find out the factor of this difference. Here I can write here factor of difference. Factor of difference. Okay. So that difference. Now, okay, means factor complete झाला आपला. आता नेक्स्ट कंडिशन काय असणार आहे? That next condition is we have to check whether that n1 and n2 have to assume whether they are correct or not. Okay, whatever that n1 and n2 have to assume or we have to calculate, that condition we have to check. आता condition check करण्यासाठी काय फॉर्म्युला आहे? Yes, anybody? What is the formula for checking condition whether that n1 and n2 are correct or not? Yes, please tell me. What is the formula?
Small n1
What is
divided
the
by capital.
No. For satisfaction checking formula, the factor of division into factor of difference, the difference factor, again divided by factor of, yes, factor of 40 into factor of n1 into factor of n2. Okay. Then we have to put all value inside that formula and we have to cancel whatever factor it is cancel. We have to cancel that, and if your numerator it will become 1. Okay, if your numerator it will become 1. That time we can easily say that whatever that n1 and n2 we have to assume these are the correct. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, okay, if your this n1 and n2 condition is satisfied, then again we have to use next formula. What is next our formula? Again same formula again we have to use here. That is the, again we have to use that small n1 divided by capital N1 plus minus small n2 divided by capital N1 is equal to 40 divided by number of division. Again this formula we have to use. Already we have find out that N1. Okay. Okay. Here we are knowing that N1. Again we are knowing that N2. Okay. Then again we are knowing that En. Again we have to put that all value. Okay, all value in our equation. Okay. Then your equation is become like this. Means your equation become like this: x n1. Sorry, that x n1 plus minus x. We have to assume here that n2 is equal to 40 divided by En divided by this n1 into n2, like this. Your equation it will become like this. Okay. Then from this equation, okay, once we have to find out this, again we have to assume or again we have to put the value of small n1 or n2. आता ही व्हॅल्यू कशी फाइंड आउट करायची? आपण जे काही सॅटिस्फॅक्शन फॅक्टर मध्ये टाकलं होतं त्यातला कुठला फॅक्टर राहिला बघायचं. तो फॅक्टर कुठल्या n1 आणि n2 च्या कुठल्या फॅक्टरला मॅच होतोय बघायचं, तो अज्युम करता. फॉर एक्झाम्पल जर समजा 11 राहिला असेल, 11 असेल तर 11 मी अज्युम केला. एकदा तर n1 करा किंवा n2 करा. ओके. जर तो हा फॅक्टर कॅपिटल n1 च्या फॅक्टर मध्ये असेल तर n1 करा, n2 मध्ये असेल तर n2 करा. ओके. And from this here, first upon we have to take plus sign. Okay. Here we can take the plus sign. If after plus sign आपली कंडिशन सॅटिस्फॅक्शन झाली, ठीक आहे. नसेल झाली तर मायनस करून बघा. -9 झाली, ठीक आहे. परत काय करायचं झालं नसेल तर n2 मध्ये ठेवून बघा आणि सेम प्रोसिजर करा. आणि सेम प्रोसिजर केल्यानंतर ओके, आणि प्लस आणि मायनस करेक्ट आहे का चेक करण्यासाठी काय करायचं आहे? LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS करून बघायचं आहे. ओके. आणि जर तुमची LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS आली तर तुम्ही प्लस किंवा मायनस घेतलेलं साइन कसं असणार आहे, बरोबर असणार आहे, ह्याच्यावर आपण ठरवू शकतो. आणि त्यानुसार काय करायचं आहे, परत इंडेक्सिंग करायचं आहे. ओके. सपोज यू विल गेट द आन्सर लाईक दिस: 9 divided by 20 plus 3 divided by 33. Okay, like this. Okay. This first part is indicate simple indexing. म्हणजे सिंपल इंडेक्सिंग मध्ये जो प्रकारे आपण करतो सेम प्रोसिजर वी हॅव टू फॉलो हियर. अँड दिस इज द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. सिंपल मध्ये काय करून घ्यायचं आहे? फॉर एक्झाम्पल 21 नंबरचं सर्कल सिलेक्ट करायचं आहे आणि इन दॅट वी हॅव टू सिलेक्ट द 9 नंबर ऑफ होल. ओके, वी हॅव टू इन्सर्ट द क्रँक पिन. वी हॅव टू इन्सर्ट द क्रँक पिन इन दॅट 11 नंबर ऑफ होल. आणि देन सेकंड पार्ट मध्ये काय करायचं आपण या ठिकाणी 33 नंबरचं सर्कल घ्यायचं आहे. ओके, 3 नंबरचं होल घ्यायचं आहे आणि काय करायचं, वी हॅव टू रोटेट. दिस पॉइंट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट इन द सेकंड पार्ट. वी हॅव टू रोटेट क्रँक. Okay, when we are rotating the crank, along with the crank, your indexing plate is also rotated because that crank pin is inserted in this plate. Okay, त्याच्यामुळे प्लेट देखील रोटेट होणार आहे. And then we have to select the, for example, that 30 number of circle, 33 number of circle, and here 3
Screen is
number of
not
hole.
visible, sir.
Here we want to, yes, Kiran,
Screen is not
Yes.
visible, sir.
yes,
Screen visible नाही sir.
okay, due to that network problem, I think it is happen. Okay, you have to understood. Now it is over. Okay, that problem is over. Whether you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
in this
sir.
manner you can perform that compound indexing. Okay. Okay, just wait for 1 minute.